Dear students, again welcome back. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು we are seeing another important questions. This can be either asked for 2 marks or 3 marks, depends on the paper. So it is distance between 2 points using which formula? Distance formula. ಇವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ coordinate geometry chapter ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿರ್ತೀರಾ. Distance between 2 points. Or ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? They'll give the question like this: find the distance between 2 points P of 2 and 3 and Q of 4, 1 using the distance formula ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು we have to find the distance between point P and Q. So ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ? We should use distance formula. What is the distance formula? I hope every one of you know the distance formula. If not, please by heart and practice. Distance is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula. ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು we are going to find the distance between the points, given points P of 2, 3 is the first point, which gives us x1 is equal to 2 and y1 is equal to 3. One more point is 4, 1 which is Q, which gives us x2 is equal to 4 and y2 is equal to 1. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಾವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ. ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ d is equal to square root of x2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 minus x1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 whole square plus y2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 minus y1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 whole square. ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. square root of 4 minus 2 is 2 square plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 square. ಇವಾಗ square root of 2 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 into 2 that is 4 plus minus 2 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 2 into minus 2 which is minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. So 4 plus 4 ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? square root of 8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ we can write it as square root of 4 into 2, which can be written as square root of 4 into square root of 2. Square root of 4 andre 2 into root 2, that is 2 root 2 is the distance between point P and point Q. ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. D is equal to how much we got? 2 root 2. We should keep the answer in the box. So I believe you have understood this problem. I'll give more questions in the description. Please go through them and practice. So ಇದನ್ನ 2 marks usually ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, 3 marks ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. If you practice this, 3 marks are in your pocket. So please practice. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗೋಣ. Thank you.